a baby. Something secretly, quietly. Okay, you're a giant, man. I'm gonna break it. Okay, let's give it to Lola. Lola, come, baby. Lola, baby. Baby, would you show us your smile? Ah, that's a good. Go to your place. Go to your place. She's going crazy about those ones, so she won't do anything like because she not. See, she's crazy about it. Wait, Lola. What? Do you love me? Yes, she says. Okay, baby, okay. But wouldn't let me give you nicely. Wait, sit down, baby, sit down. Look at Lola. She's crazy, man. Now she wants me to feed her, like a baby, but she'll eat. Okay. Lola's going crazy. Eating right now. Let's make it brighter, girl. Baby. She's like, don't worry, I know how. I'll teach you. Okay, that's Lola getting her special treat. Mommy will kill us. No, not too much, it's just one. Look at her. Baby, it's a good baby. Say, go away, man, go away. Get there. I'm a bit for it. Good lens. Primary. Zoom. Right now, when Lola is done, she's looking for more.